ACAS Early Conciliation explained what you really need to know before going to tribunal. If you're thinking about taking your employer to tribunal, there's one thing you need to do before. You need to go to ACAS for early conciliation. Here's how it works. You tell ACAS you want to start early conciliation, and you can do that online on their website. An ACAS conciliator will then contact you and your employer to see if the issue can be resolved without going to tribunal. Now, often people ask if they need a lawyer for this, and the answer is no, you don't need one. ACAS conciliators are neutral, they don't take sides, but they also won't give you legal advice. Their job is to help both of you make a voluntary agreement. Early conciliation can typically take up to 6 weeks, but if you both agree to settle, this can end much earlier. However, at the moment, most people are saying it's taken about 5 weeks for a conciliator to get in contact with them. And what happens if your employer ignores ACAS? ACAS will then issue you a certificate that will show that conciliation has ended, and you'll need that certificate to make a tribunal claim. And your timeline to submit a tribunal claim is paused during the conciliation process. But once conciliation ends, the clock starts ticking again. And don't forget, if you want to take any action, you need to do this within 3 months of your potential claim. So if you've just been sacked and you believe it's an unfair dismissal, you have 3 months less 1 day from your dismissal date to raise a claim. And the tribunal are very strict on deadlines. A lot of cases get thrown out because they're out of time. This year, around 30% of claims have been settled through the ACAS program, and last year it was 40%. So the program can work, and it can save you a lot of stress of waiting up to 2 years for your employment tribunal hearing. So what are you waiting for? If you want to raise a claim, give ACAS a call now.